Hello and welcome to Simply Chiropractic. My name is Dr. Atkin and today I want to take you on a quick tour of the office. Simply Chiropractic is located on the corner of Bass Lake Road and Holly Springs Road, right next to Lowe's Foods. In fact, as we pan right over there, you'll see right on the left-hand side of Lowe's Foods a big sign that says Sarasana, and Simply Chiropractic is located inside of Sarasana. So let's check it out. Sarasana is a beautiful wellness studio that has massage and acupuncture, yoga and skincare, a beautiful tea bar. And Simply Chiropractic is located right on the left-hand side as you come through the front doors. As you probably already know, chiropractic is amazing for back pain, neck pain, and headaches. And believe me, there's nothing I love more than helping you get out of pain so that you can get back to doing the things that you love. But a lot of people wonder, well, Dr. Atkin, what makes your office unique? There's a bunch of chiropractors out there, right? And I would say it comes down to two main things. In fact, as you read through our Google reviews, these are probably the two things you're going to notice. The first one is that we have a very gentle approach to chiropractic care. All of my specialty training is in pregnancy and pediatrics from the International Chiropractic Pediatric Association, where we focus on taking care of families, take care of dads and moms, kids, pregnant moms and infants. In fact, I've got the Webster technique training that really helps assist throughout pregnancy. Now, a lot of our adjusting is hands-on. We also use handheld instruments to assist with that adjusting and help take care of those tight, sore muscles. But a lot of people, as they come in here, they really talk about that gentle yet effective approach that we have to our adjusting. The other thing they talk a lot about is that we're very natural and holistic minded. We're going to be talking a lot about the lifestyle choices that make such a difference in your healing. I've got a master's degree in herbology, which was a lot of advanced training in nutrition, herbs and natural remedies. As a father of four, we've kind of taken our own family along the spectrum of trying to keep them healthy, and we're going to be focused on all of those natural things that are going to help keep you and your family healthy. We'll be talking about healthy sleeping positions, healthy posture at work, and all the other things that go into maintaining that healthy lifestyle. Now, as my wife and I were putting this office together, we put it together in a way where we sat back and thought, well, what would I want to see in a chiropractor? And so we have really focused on making it very convenient. So you're going to find that we have very convenient hours. We get here at 8 o'clock in the morning. We're here until 6 o'clock in the evening. We're open for a couple of hours on Saturday morning. So you'll be able to pop in here, get a great adjustment at a very convenient time. We've also made the scheduling very convenient. In fact, as you go to our website, simplychiro.net, you'll see a big Schedule Now button at the top. And that allows you to look at our online calendar where you can pick a time that works well for you. You'll be able to fill out the paperwork and the forms online, so that'll save you time when you're coming in here. So once again, very convenient, both scheduling your first appointment and ongoing appointments. Everything's done online. Pricing is very convenient as well too. In fact, the first time that you come in here, we're going to sit down for about a half hour, 45 minutes, and really talk about what's been going on, help you understand what chiropractic is and how we can help, and you'll get your first adjustment at that time. You'll find that we're very detailed in explaining what we do before we do it, so there aren't any surprises. That first visit's only $80, which includes that adjustment. After that, follow-up visits are either $40 per visit, or you'll be able to get on one of our membership plans. You'll find that, if this is your first time with chiropractic, we may need to see each other a little bit more frequently during the first couple of weeks, and so we actually have an unlimited plan, which gives you all the visits that you need for $197 a month. Once you're down to a weekly visit, it's only $97 a month. So once again, pricing is convenient, scheduling is convenient, hours are convenient. Just hop online, go to simplychiro.net, click that Schedule Now button, and I cannot wait to meet you. You're absolutely going to love it here, and we'll talk to you soon.